Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can replace the actual hose on your Karcher K4 Premium. You might have damaged a hose, it might be split, and rather than buying a whole new machine you just want to replace the hose. These have a quick fit connection, so make sure you get the correct hose for the model. Very easy to do. On the Lance side, all we have to do is push this button in here and it will allow us to pull out the hose like so. And then this one here is slightly more complicated because we have a little wind handle here. So to begin with, I'm just going to unravel all the hose. There we go, so we're fully unraveled there. And basically you can see that the hose goes in here, but we can't get access to the little retaining clip because this is in the way. Quite simply, all you've got to do is turn it around to here and that will give you access to this little clip here. So don't touch this one. It's this one here that we want to remove. So I'm going to get my finger underneath here and you're going to be sliding this out like so, and you can take it completely out. Then we're going to get the hose and you need to try to get a little bit of slack. So feed it through from here. Just feed a little bit through like that. In fact, it's already come out. Let me push that back in to show you what it should be like in there. So once you fed it through, you can see it's gone in here, and all you have to do is get your fingers in this part here and pull it out like so. And that way then you've now released the end of the hose. You can see it's a quick fit connection there as well. We're just going to feed it through here. And that is it. You now have your hose completely out. This hose isn't actually faulty. I'm just doing this purely for the video. So when you get your new hose, we're going to be feeding it back through here again. So we're going to be going up through here like so from the bottom. And we're going to be bringing it round, and you're going to be then going through here. So you're going to be going through here, and you want to line it up with this one in here. This doesn't always correspond to here. There's a bit of lag on it. So just do it until it's in the middle there. And this is it will only go in. It's got, because it's like flat here and here. It's only going to go in either 180 degrees that way or 180 degrees the other way. So you want to be putting it in and giving it a little bit of a turn. If you've given yourself plenty of slack here, it will make it easier. And give it a bit of a turn until it locates in. And basically, there you go. That's how far it wants to go in. So you can see there. And now we're going to get our clip, and we're putting our clip in this way round. And the clip goes on these bits here. And you're just going to line it up there and push that fully home like so. There we go. That is now locked into place, and it's the O-ring in there that's actually doing the sealing. So we're going to feed this back through here to make it nice and tight. And that is it. You can see now you're going to be able to wind it up like you do normally, and you'll be able to unravel it. And then this end is very straightforward. All we have to do is line it up in here and just give it a little turn until it clicks into place, so you can feel it's down like that, and it just locks in. So let's undo that again. So just put it so and just keep moving it around until it drops a little bit, and then click it like that. That's it. That's how to replace the hose on a Karcher K4 Premium. Thanks for watching.